click through on that comment and you can see me reading chunks of a 2019 court order forbidding the United States government from deporting Kilmar Abrego Garcia to El Salvador. Now, Bill, you have ESQ at the end of your username, although your page looks like a bot account. So if you are, in fact, a lawyer, you know how dumb that comment is. I never said in my TikTok where that comment was left that the government does not have a right to deport Kilmar Abrego Garcia. What I said in my TikTok and what I read from that ruling is that there is a court order in place forbidding the government from deporting him to El Salvador. I also said that there was no judicial determination made in that order that Kilmar Abrego Garcia had ever been a member of MS-13. Deportation order 2, court's done. The government is permitted to deport him. They are not permitted to deport him to El Salvador, which they did. There was a separate court order. If you want to talk about two courts and two court orders, there was a separate court order from Judge Boasberg prohibiting these plane loads of alleged Venezuelan gang members, of which Kilmar Abrego Garcia was a passenger on one of those planes. There was a separate court order prohibiting the federal government from following through on those flights. The government did in violation of that court order. So the points that I made in my original video still stand, and your comment does not refute any of them. As if you are an attorney, you know that. The government, 2 court orders prohibiting the government from deporting him to El Salvador, and no judicial determination has ever been made that he is or ever has been a member of MS-13. So, Lawyer Bill, if you want to refute that, have at it. But from looking at your page, you haven't posted any videos. You have a fake profile photo. And I'm sure you're a bot somewhere in Asia or Russia that was like, I know, I'm going to add ESQ to the end of my name so everybody thinks I'm a lawyer. You're not a lawyer, certainly not one in the United States. So if you want to make a video disproving any of this, have at it, Lawyer Bill. But we all know you won't.